No, 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 no. The cows aren't hungry. They're upset. We took the babies away from them yesterday. We took the babies away from them yesterday, and that's why they're upset. So, on with the day. Well, I don't know how well a video this is gonna turn out, but easy, girly. Hi there. Oh, I'm sorry. What are you doing down there? Oh boy. Oh, it's fun. You little tormenting devil, you. I don't understand why you gotta torment me. Huh? Be gone. Alright, so I come to a little bit of a dilemma here. There's a hole up here where we dropped the straw down from up there, okay? Somewheres they were supposed to leave a hole open so you could walk down through there and throw the straw down over the overhang into the bottom, but there's no hole up there, okay? There's no hole up there, and it would just not make any sense to drop what? A bale down here, crawl down here, move the bale because you don't want to knock the ladder down, because how would you get down? And so I'm gonna have to do things the hard way, I guess, but you know, it is what it is, and that is just how it is gonna have to be. Because if people can't, you know, and I definitely don't want to pull from here, because that would just make things even worse. Girls enjoying them rotten grapes. There you go. Yeah. I think chickens like grapes. I'm almost certain they do. Chickens will eat anything. I think if I do this right, just this corner here will be enough. Nothing back further that way, just this little L thing here. Haul it down to the gate down there, back it through, and come back up here for another load. So I need 5 more bales, I think. 5 to 6 more anyhow, but yeah, we're getting it. Well, there. Got the barn all bedded. The cows helped a little bit. And we'll see what the rest of the day brings. Then I'm taking the bottom layer, throwing it up, so we can make more room in here, taking the bad ones out. Gonna throw them in the hay rack. Yeah, so we can make more room in here. All right, I'm gonna put wagons away today. Not that one. That is staying up here for when we start doing corn. Because we need a funnel. We need a funnel, more or less. Those of you that have grain carts and try to do what we do will understand what I mean by that. But you cannot hit a small object like a grain auger with the grain cart. It'd just splash all over the place. So that's why we use a gravity wagon. I'm going to take my charger off as 3010. This thing needs batteries. This thing needs batteries, and we're charged. But it needs batteries in a bad way. So I'm gonna be plugging that thing right back in when we're done with it. Because it's just how it's going to go. Is it needs batteries. You can see all the acid right there. It's accumulated. These things are quite they're quite cumbersome if you are only doing it with one hand. I'm going, oops, almost forgot. Why was that thing on tight? Oh well, it is what it is, and the engine oil is good. So just always good to double check myself, things like that. And this thing will start, and then we'll just let it sit here and warm up. Well, apparently we didn't have that one latched correctly. I thought I did. Almost certain I did. Well, I'm over here getting ready to put feed out to the cows, letting lunch warm up a little bit. Yeah, the chill's knocked off of it. Yeah. Whoever said you needed to heat food up to eat it when it's already been cooked? Yep. I didn't need no bread or nothing, so for all you that say that, oh, you're utterly disgusting, because A, you're eating that cold. I heated up first in the heater on the Gator. Well, just knocked the chill off of it. That's, more or less. Well, we're gonna try and set augers up today. Nice thing is half the bulwark's done. Them augers are all dug out. We just gotta position stuff to where it's gonna go. We know that because we've done a dry run, and what I mean by dry run is we've set the two big augers up. We've set them up, and for temporary purposes before we had the concrete poured, because that auger is going to come clear out to here. Okay, it's a long thing. It's going to come clear out to here somewhere. So we poured a little extra here to clean the mess up, if we have any mess that there is. Makes things easier. Then trying to clean corn up on the gravel and the dirt. So that is why we poured 20 by 20. Change of plans. We're only going to just be setting the big auger up. I gotta get the tractor right quick so that we can use the hydraulics to lift that big auger up to that wet bin. Just to put another bale of hay in for the hay burners. That's right, cow. Yep, you're really right. So I went over across the road, got some cones because we don't have a big orange wagon set up here. It acts like a big cone, so I had to get 2 cones so that nobody runs into the darn things. That would be detrimental to corn harvest 2023.